So today I'm going to show you how you can fix your PS2 Slim. PS2s, for me personally, have been very temperamental over the years. They just seem to break, but it's a great machine. So if you want to add some more life into it, so let me just show you what the issue can be. So you put the game in, and you start loading it up, and it starts making this buzzing noise, and it won't load the game. As you can see, it keeps stopping. So the simple way of fixing this is to get a little piece of foil like this and place it right there. You don't have to stick it down, you just got to place it. I've got one of the sensors covering there, and I'll just press this button. And look, it works. So that's how you fix your PS2 console. Let me know if you got any issues. And it works like a charm.